Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best offerings in the world of mason jar accessories, the AIEVE mason jar lids with flip top. If you're into canning, storing, or just looking for a convenient way to pour your favorite drinks, these lids might just be what you need. These regular mouth mason jar lids are designed for convenience and durability. Made from a combination of plastic and silicone, they provide a tight, leak-proof seal that turns your mason jars into versatile containers for both liquid and dry goods. Whether it's storing beans in your pantry or pouring out your morning coffee, these lids are up to the task. Let's talk about what makes these lids stand out. The silicone sealing gasket ensures an airtight seal, keeping your food fresh and your liquid secure. They're dishwasher safe for easy cleaning and reusable, which is great for sustainability. Plus, the flip cap design makes pouring a breeze, whether you're enjoying cold brew coffee, iced tea, or refreshing lemonade. In terms of design, these lids are well engineered. They fit snugly on regular mouth mason jars, ensuring they won't fall off or leak when you're using them. The materials are high quality and BPA free, so you can use them with confidence knowing they're safe for your food and drinks. Compared to other options on the market, these AIEVE lids excel in their leak-proof design and durability. They're competitively priced, especially considering you get 4 lids in a pack. If you're looking for value and performance, these lids certainly deliver. To wrap it up, the AIEVE mason jar lids with flip top are a fantastic choice for anyone who uses regular mouth mason jars. Whether you're a canner, a meal prepper, or just someone who loves a good mason jar drink, these lids will enhance your experience. They're practical, well-designed, and backed by excellent customer feedback. So that's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.